Yeah, so I'm going to show you what this plug looks like. The other day I had that cheap Chinese plug. That melted. Everyone said I ran it lean and blah blah blah, and I told everyone the same thing about that plug. And here's the one that I replaced it with in that video. But as you can see, it is definitely not lean. I wish it would focus a little better here. It's actually running pretty rich. So I didn't change any settings, anything like that. I just screwed this plug in and ran it. It's had 3 tanks of fuel so far. But definitely is not running lean. So I told everyone, well, actually we're going to put in a different plug. I got a brand new one here. So we're going to be putting in so it's a BR8. Alright. You know, I always see people tighten their spark plug in with the force of God, and it actually screws up the gasket. You just want them snug, just like that. So anyways, so that's a new plug. So here's the one we took out. But yeah, I mean, this thing looks great. But yeah, I mean, look at it. It's definitely not lean. So anyhow, all right, peace out.